For phonics today, I want us to look at these spelling patterns, and I want you to be able to decide, what is similar about the words that I have put in these categories? I have 3 words written in black, 3 words written in red, and 3 words written in blue. And I am going to read each of these columns to you. Misspell, misprint, mistreat. What is the same about all of the words in this category? I want you to say it out loud. Now let's look at these ones. In blue it says distrust, distrust, and disconnect. I'm going to change this one because I wrote distrust twice. Let's write dishonest. Now we have 3 different words. What is the same about these 3 words? Can you say it all out? And then finally, look at the red category. Pre-cut, preheat, and prepay. What is the same about the words that are in red? Now I'm hoping what you told me for this category is that you see MIS in all of the words. That's true. All of the words in black have the same first 3 letters. Now these first 3 letters are a prefix. When you put this word part, this prefix, in front of a word, it changes the meaning of the word. If you have spell, but you put miss in front of it, it means to spell incorrectly. If you have print, and you put miss in front of it, it means to print something incorrectly. If you have the word treat, and you put the word miss in front of it, it means to treat something or someone poorly. Let's look at the blue words. Distrust, dishonest, disconnect. You may have noticed that all 3 of these words have DIS at the beginning of them. These are all prefixes. These word parts, these prefixes, change the meaning of the word. So we have trust, but when I put dis in front of it, distrust means not to trust. Honest means to be truthful, but if you're dishonest, dis means not. So this is not honest, the opposite of. Connect, to put together, but when you put DIS, it means to not connect, to take it apart. Fascinating. Let's look at the final 3 over here. I bet they have a prefix too. What prefix did you see in these? If you said pre, P-R-E, you're correct. And pre means to do ahead. So when you bake cookies, for example, you preheat an oven. That means you get it up to temperature before you put the cookies in. So to heat before. If you pre-cut your, let's say, art project, it means that you do all of your cutting ahead of time. And if you prepay for something, such as you're going to prepay for movie tickets, it means you pay before you go to the movies. You do it ahead. You might have heard of something called preschool. Well, that's school before you go to kindergarten. Okay, so all of these are prefixes. Prefixes are word parts put at the beginning of a word that change the meaning of the word.